This video also shows how gay you are for holding your gear shift all the time.
I hold it all the time.
Yes.
Where else am I going to put my hand?
As car talk would say, you're destroying your gear.
This is your fault, you dumb bitch.
Yep.
So see, it's fine there. You got plenty of power. No problem at all. If you go up to 5th gear, right around 2,000 RPM. If you give it gentle throttle, it's fine, we can accelerate. But if we give it full throttle, you feel the whole car shaking. It's just got nothing, that's wide open throttle. So again, gentle acceleration. No problem at all. Full throttle, just completely dies. It's a classic symptom of bad spark plug wires. From the top is unbearable. Slow down. Yeah.
Sounds like spark plugs.
I guess it was the plugs. That's embarrassing. Well, that's not what we're going to do at the side of the road. So we'll have to head back to the studio for that.
We can still do it in one take.
Nobody, people are not going to watch that. I also just realized that we don't have a license plate on this, but I doubt that's a cop behind us because one of their headlights is out, so I think we're okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, those are original.
Oh.
All right, surprise, surprise. We have got a valve cover leak.
And what does that do?
It covers the spark plugs in oil, and as a result, they misfire.
Because the plugs don't even look that bad. They are warm though, because this was really all in one take. Oh, wow.
Oh.
It might have been more than just the oil on there. So we've got a couple of theories going here. Although I will say, the one from the front that was just drenched in oil was not nearly as hot as these other ones, which makes me think that that cylinder was having the worst.
Curious part is, what does this one look like, seeing as it has not been drenched in oil?
The last one had all that white crap on it too. Oh, look at that gap. That gap is at least 3 to 4 miles across.
Yeah.
Yeah. Basically had 3 issues. Those plugs were old. We can't prove that those were causing part of the issue.
Well,
because it didn't really get much better afterwards.
Being coated in oil.
Well, that's true. Those wires had been soaking in that oil. So either way, the wires are never a bad idea when they're old and crusty like that. But the oil getting into the cylinder, that can definitely cause a misfire. That would be from a valve cover gasket leak. And then a couple of those plugs, when we took them out, looked absolutely crusty. The gaps looked enormous.
The car behind us, that looks like a Ford. That might be a cop.
I think so.
I don't know.
Is there a reason that we're not going? I don't hear sirens.
No, just the car in front of us was a moron.
Oh yeah, nice and smooth. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift all the way up to 5th. We're going to go down about 1500 RPM, full throttle, perfectly smooth. So we did it in one take. Diagnose and repair, Misfire, 99 Mazda Miata. It would have been pretty cool if it was just the wires, but hopefully you guys stayed and watched the whole thing. Saw the result. Nice and smooth.
Are we actually keeping the one take?
Why, did you say something that you didn't want to be in there?
Not that I know of.
Alright. Well, YouTube community standards will let us know, I guess.